Today I am going to be talking about building collapses. अभी हाल में ही मुंबई में एक बिल्डिंग कोलैप्स हुआ जिसमें कई जानें चली गई. Every year in some city or the other, some building collapses and many people are dying. आप जानना चाहते? So this is Pankaj K, your very own real estate strategist. Today I am going to be talking to you how to stop building collapses that is happening every year in many cities across the world. So I am going to be talking to you. I am going to be giving to you a 10-point strategy that is to be taken care by developers and builders to avoid building collapses. Building collapses can have devastating consequences for people and communities, and it is important to take proactive steps to prevent them. As someone who has worked in the real estate industry for many decades, so here are 10 strategies that developers can take to help prevent building collapses. Number one, ensure that building codes and regulations are followed. Building codes and regulations are designed to ensure that buildings are constructed safely and to a high standard. Developers should ensure that their buildings meet these requirements and work closely with local authorities to ensure compliance. Number two, use high quality building materials. Building materials play a crucial role in the safety and longevity of a building. Developers should use high quality, durable materials that are appropriate for the building's intended use. Hire qualified engineers and architects. Architects and engineers are responsible for designing and overseeing the construction of real estate projects, real estate buildings. Developers should hire qualified professionals who have a track record of designing safe and reliable buildings. Number four, conduct regular inspections. Regular inspections can help identify potential issues before they become serious problems. Developers should conduct regular inspections of their buildings to identify areas that need repair or maintenance. Number five, provide adequate training and supervision. Construction workers and contractors should be trained in the proper techniques and safety procedures for building construction. Developers should provide adequate training and supervision to ensure that workers are following best practices. Number six, monitor construction closely. Developers should monitor the construction of their buildings closely to ensure that all works are being done to appropriate standards and specifications. Number seven, use appropriate building techniques. There are a variety of building techniques that can be used to improve the safety and durability of buildings. Developers should use appropriate techniques that are appropriate for the building's intended use. Number eight, perform regular maintenance. Regular maintenance can keep buildings in good condition and prevent problems from arising. Developers should establish a maintenance schedule and ensure that it is followed. Number nine, engage with the community. Developers should engage with local community to understand their needs and concerns. They can help ensure that buildings are designed and constructed in a way that meets the needs of the community. Number 10, take responsibility. If a building collapse occurs or if a building collapse does occur, developers should take responsibility for their actions and work with local authorities to determine the cause of the collapse and take steps to prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. I hope I am able to throw some lights on the preventive actions to be taken during construction of real estate projects. Every year, we cannot afford to make building collapses like this and lose many important and valuable lives. Hope you understand. Thank you very much for staying connected. Signing off for now. See you in the next video.